At the Motofil Group, we are regularly challenged with projects that, though seemingly impossible, act on us as a stimulus for development. This is enabled by our investment in innovation and in an extremely competent and professional multidisciplinary team. We design and manufacture industrial systems of great reliability, systems which make a decisive contribution to the increase in productivity, performance, and efficiency of our partners and clients. Our work for more than 30 years is the reason for our position on the international stage. The world today is aware of our capabilities. In a global market, being able to work in close proximity to our clients is a high priority for Motofil. This has led to the internationalization of our business, with branches of our group being set up outside Portugal. Motofil Robotics is one of the largest European manufacturers in the sector of robotics and industrial automation. With a technical team that is highly experienced in the area of industrial processes and equipment, and a huge range of both standard and made-to-measure systems, we are able to supply solutions of great reliability and integrity. Whether we are dealing with the automotive or naval industry, agricultural equipment, metal furniture, or any other sector in which the use of robotic systems has become indispensable, we have the know-how to deliver the solutions you require. In the area of thermal cutting, we have developed high-performance techniques for the cutting of parts from sheet or tubular metal. The cutting technologies we use are the most advanced on the market, and we are happy to tailor-make solutions to suit the needs of our clients, in any sector of business, in any location. We are the only manufacturer of solid wire for welding in the Iberian Peninsula. Our product is approved for use by several of our national and international clients, and we are responsible for providing top-quality welding materials to sites the world over. Extensive experience in automation and robotics has led us to the manufacture and machining of parts for this industry. The wide range of machines that we own provides us with the complete autonomy in the manufacture of components. Our in-house production capacity allows for the optimization of resources, thereby ensuring that our clients and partners receive a completely integrated service. The Motofil Group is making strong investments in the aeronautics industry, and we are placing our technical skills and production capacity at the disposal of this large and exacting industry. To meet the demands of a sector in which reliability and safety are of such critical importance, each component has to be manufactured to a state of perfection, an area in which we are specialists. At Motofil, we believe in the value of research and ingenuity. We believe that innovation involves staying ahead of the market, and that this is the way to turn the impossible into the possible. This is what we believe. This is what we do.